11th edition of Vartalab Media Workshop organized by Press Information Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Office Imphal was held at Hotel Imphal today. The event was attended by DIPR Director Ngangom Uttam, BIB Imphal Director Dr. Engam Apame, All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju President Asim Bhakta and Editors Guild Manipur Secretary General Yumnam Rupachandra as a key presiding members. Speaking on the occasion, the DIPR Director Angom Uttam highlighted the need to discern between the news published in social media from established print and electronic media. He remarked that the news materials released on the social media have questionable ethics, sources and facts, and cautioned the public to exercise caution when consuming news. He added that anyone with a mobile phone can publish all forms of media with no context or responsibility, which can cause unwanted consequences in the society. Moreover, he said that the senior citizens fall prey to various cyber frauds and urged to be cautious while entering bank or personal details, emphasizing that the workshop will help journalists, media persons and media firms in the state. During the technical session of the workshop, Art and Culture Joint Director Guru Mayum Dharmadas, Youth Affairs and Sports Director Dr. Mayeng Bambito, and NELIT Scientist E. Dr. Ngangom Bubo spoke on cyber security awareness.
Social media dagi phangiba pau di quality duga press dagi phangiba pau di quality siga ani je ke am khena ge si awareness bi da ya re hajana matam thagaraga thigaraga phongai agna cinema khawba ma phongra matungda cinema duge mu behind the scene na phonga du maina TV channel jingisu behind the scene gi program ma mate phonga praja khangan ba machang e social media da masai training ju yaw da ba machana pangjaru bogi mobile ma pairaga ma gi podcast ma hanaga pantha da duga news channel ma to magi tongan ba tawon to formalities protocol me amo illaga konga ibuga ani si khena ba je ko choja khanan ba ya pe aduna somaina pena media da lai ba trust adu media to ba magi level of transparency accountability masai social media no phone go to be ma accountable oi banati magi accountability lai banati maya ma follow ka gai like ka gai ma earning khale ram ba yai TV channel amagi di aran ko pawang khong matam da leba wa thoi ko matam da jail chang ko ya ni accountable ba ko kayam transparent ko ye akoina tamaina paw je sema ga tamaina wari si mayam da thamak ye je khangal laga akoina moida kai ta public ta si ani ki difference khangal laga koi ki praise se si credibility se na aga thamaga miyam bi se wa to ni ki si